Hello everyone! Today I'll show you 4 carrot recipes that my child loves to eat. I've made many carrot dishes, but these are the top ones.
이거 더 돼.
Carrots soak up stuff from the soil as they grow, so they can taste a bit bitter. Kids with sensitive taste buds sometimes think it's bad and won't eat them. But don't worry, they can turn that bitterness into something kids love, sweetness and umami. If you are struggling to get your kids to eat carrot, try these. Let's get started. First is grilled carrot. This is seriously delicious. Sometimes I end up eating 3 big whole carrots myself. When cooking carrots, the key is to heat them slowly. The carrot will turn surprisingly sweet. Cut 2 big carrots into sticks. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the carrot. Sprinkle some herb salt on top. Bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. For the yogurt sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of chili powder, and a little salt. The second recipe is marinated carrot. It tastes amazing with a sour flavor and deep aroma of cumin. If your kids like sour flavors, this is a must try. The key to making it delicious is to remove the moisture from the carrot well. Alright. Julienne 1 big carrot. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Squeeze out the extra water from the carrot. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of sushi vinegar, a pinch of cumin, and teaspoon of mustard. If you like, you can add raisins for some extra sweetness.
Yummy!
よかった。
Yummy!
いやー、嬉しい。
Bomb!
お、ボーノも知ってんの？
Alicia, bomb!
アリスが言ってんの？
あ、言ってんの。
ボーン。
Really?
うん。人参甘い。
Oh! よかった。
ありがとう。
いいね。
甘い。
ヤミー。また。ヤミー。
もっと食べるの？
食べる。
やったー。
でも。
はい、ごちそうさまでした。
たたたたたたた。はんたん。はんたん。はんたん。
Next is egg and carrot. This is a traditional dish from Okinawa in Japan. It's packed with umami, so rarely popular in Japanese daycares and schools. Julienne, 1 big carrot. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a frying pan and add the carrot. Cook until they get soft.
タンタンタンタンふるふるタンタンふるふる
In a bowl, mix 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of white soy sauce, shiradashi, and 2 tablespoons of water. Add half can of tuna,
タンタンふるふる
2 teaspoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of white soy sauce, shiradashi. Push the carrot to the side of the pan and pour the egg mixture into the empty space. When the eggs are half cooked, mix them with the carrot. Sprinkle with sesame seeds if you like. Lastly, fried carrot. This is my husband's favorite, not just my daughter's. They are sweet and crispy, so they're perfect for picky eaters as well.
どう？
Cut 1 big carrot into sticks. Put the carrot sticks in a plastic bag and add 1 teaspoon of chicken broth powder and half teaspoon of salt. Shake well. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch and shake again until the carrots are well coated. Heat oil in the pan and fry the carrot until golden and crispy.
てちっちゃいともっと取る
もっと食べてからね。
パパも踊ろう。
じゃあこれ食べてみて。
No. これ食べない。卵で食べたいな。
いいよ。
うん。
みちゃんの好きな卵だ。
おいしい。おいしい。ママも食べたい。
うん、ママも食べよう。
あららららららららら。人間ない。もっとちょうだい。もっとくれ。
あと一口じゃん。空っぽにすんの、ゆうちゃん。すごい。すごい。すごい。ゆうちゃん、全部食べたじゃん。
見えない。
なんで
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you tried these carrot recipes at home. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
ゆうちゃんだ。
およもうベトベトよ。いいじゃん。おー、いいね。おー。